Hey there, I'm Mike, and welcome to the JSB Home Solutions Network. We all know that pricing can change within the home improvement industry, and so today we're going to talk about the elephant in the room. What will a bathroom remodel cost in today's market? What will a bathroom remodel cost in today's market? Well, if you're interested in remodeling your bathroom, then I'm pretty sure you have an interest in what it's going to cost you. Whether you want the cheapest bathroom remodel or the most expensive bathroom remodel, we have the right answers. According to the Zonda Media Group, a traditional bathroom remodel in our market today could cost anywhere from $13,000 to $85,000, depending on the size of the space and the scope of work within the space. Now, we understand that this is a broad range for the pricing of a bathroom remodel, and we also understand that it could be even higher than what we've outlined. You may be wondering, why is there such a wide range in pricing? Well, there are actually three factors that can affect the price of your bathroom remodel: the quality, the installation process, and the warranty. Bathroom material quality. When it comes to the quality of the material that you're going to have installed, there are three factors that you want to consider when choosing any company that you want to work with. They are the materials and the quality of the materials that are being used in the tub and shower area, the quality and the construction of the vanity cabinets, and any customizations that you may be able to make in the space to better enhance your time in your new bathroom. All three of these could dramatically raise or lower the cost of your new bathroom. So be sure to adjust each of these to find the best fit for you and your new bathroom. Bathroom installation. A higher quality installation is going to cost you more. It's as simple as that. If you're looking to lower the cost of your bathroom remodel, you could find somebody to install your new bathroom at a lower cost. However, you could be risking the integrity of your new bathroom. The installation may not be the best place to cut cost. Finding a lower quality product with a higher quality installation might be a better fit for you. The installation is truly that important. Bathroom warranty. A high quality installation should come with a high quality warranty. The warranty is a big blind spot for most people when shopping for a new bathroom and wondering why Company A could be so much more expensive than Company B. So ask them about their warranty. It may just justify the cost. Now that you know how much bathroom remodeling could cost in our market today, you can have a realistic expectation of what your project could cost. Remember, quality and cost go hand in hand and have a direct relationship when it comes to bathroom remodeling. The highest quality services and goods are never going to be the least expensive. So it's important for you to outline your goals for your space and find the right budget for you. And then find the best bathroom remodel that will fit and meet all of your needs. Thanks for stopping by the JSB Home Solutions Network, and we look forward to meeting with you soon.